Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Hello, happy new year. In today's video, this is gonna be just me giving my life update and also plans and like things that you can pulot from this video would probably how to get yourself out of a slump and try to motivate yourself if you're not feeling the best. Yon. Okay, let's do this. Hi. Current situation, I'm here at the condo still. I'm gonna start work tomorrow. Oh my gosh. This is it. Real life. Work. I'm nervous about it in the sense na, syempre, it's the real world. I'm gonna start working. Totoo na to. Aside from that, I'm excited kasi syempre mag-earn na ako kahit papano. I mean, I've been earning before with Rare Job, but this is gonna be like my real work. And medyo, siguro kabado din kahit papano kasi for 26 years of my life, nag-aaral ako. Alam mo yon, yun yung kinasanayan kong ginagawa ko, pumapasok sa school, although nag-part-time work, pero alam mo yon, ito na talaga. Pero maliban doon, pagdating sa YouTube life ko naman, well, I just reached 2,000 subscribers, so that's a good thing. But aside from that, yung medyo parang masama for me is like, I feel like I'm in a slump na para akong nasa isang posisyon lang na parang may vacuum na humihila sa akin na dun lang ako magstay or na hindi ko magawa yung mga kailangan kong gawin. Or baka sinasabi ko lang to, nagrarason lang ba ako? Excuses? I don't know. Hindi ko talaga alam. There are so many things I want to film. Things I want to do. Videos I want to do. But, gosh, wala akong magawa. Nakakainis talaga kasi alam mo yung akala ko after ng bar, yung buong December ng 2016, alam, makapag-film ako ng madaming videos, tapos, alam mo yun, makaka-film, makaka-edit, mapaplano ko na para ipopost ko sa 2017, pero wala! How do you even? Ang medyo ano ko kasi, alam nyo, sa totoo lang, ako naman yung tipo ng tao na I do not really plan about things. Well, siguro konting planning, pero I'm not really very meticulous. I'm not a perfectionist. I'm far from being a perfectionist. Hindi talaga ako perfectionist. Pero recently, parang mas lalo kong nag-iisip-isip about things, which I did not do before. Hindi ako ganon. Kaya feeling ko mas nakakapag-produce ako ng mga bagay dati. I just want to go back to how I was. Na ganun ako. I just do. I have a goal. I know what I want to do and then I just do it. Although may mga pagkakamali, things you learn along the way, pero okay lang, ganun talaga, pero you just do. And now, I am having a difficulty starting, which was never a problem with me before. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko talaga alam. Pero, yun, siguro, part of me, I just want to do things na stop overanalyzing things right now. Kasi alam kong hindi ako ito. Hindi ako yung tipo ng tao na isip ng isip bago gumawa ng isang bagay. Itong mga bagay na sinasabi ko, as long as it's not fatal, at saka alam ko hindi makakasakit ng ibang tao, ginagawa ko na lang yung mga kaya kong gawin. I don't know, yun. How do you get out of a slump? Paano nyo minomotivate yung sarili nyo na gawin ng mga bagay? Or like, motivation, saan ang gagaling? Hindi ko alam! Wala na akong alam. Pero sana patawarin nyo ako. I'm really sorry kung I've not been creating content recently. I want to. Meron akong isang segment this coming year na hopefully ma-start ko ng ma-film soon. I want to thank Jaco De Leon for the idea. During isang gathering nila nung B-Boys, I was able to talk to Jaco and he gave me ideas for my channel. And thank you ulit. I don't wanna say the name of the segment that I'm gonna do kasi I just wanted to go live. Yun. Kapag okay na, tsaka ko sasabihin ko ano yung title ng segment ko for this channel. Pero sa ngayon, yun lang muna. I'm sorry if this is not such a positive, happy video na usual and stuff. Na, alam nyo, I go through this din. So, ang masasabi ko lang for this 2017, just do it. Gawin nyo kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin. As long as it's not fatal at hindi makakasakit ng ibang tao, gawin nyo lang. Alam nyo, make it work. Isay, make it work. Okay? Make it work. Ayun. Happy New Year! And I hope to see you again on my next videos. Bye-bye!